My name is Christine, and this is my aha moment. My aha moment is more like several moments or a number of moments, and they come when I follow my heart. It's times when I trust in my intuition and when I say yes to opportunities that come into my life, and this includes people that are brought into my life. One of the main aha moments came when I said yes to the opportunity to start Beacon House. Beacon House is a health resource center, and it is a place where people are, again, able to create an awareness for themselves of what healing might look like for them, and to take time for themselves to experience different types of complementary and alternative therapies. I was job-free from my career, and I had an opportunity to say yes when I was able to think about what I would be doing next, and I wanted to be of service, and the opportunity was to start the nonprofit, and that's when I said yes to that. That was 10 years ago, and the Beacon House is a reality today, and it's my life. My life work and my passion really came to be a reality for me.